Relying entirely on frontier AI models for your daily, complex coding tasks is expensive. The sheer volume of tokens required to process complex logic and build out full features puts a compounding strain on your API budget. This table shows recent evaluation benchmarks. Notice the GLM 5.2 row. It scores an impressive 81 points on complex, long-horizon evaluation tasks, remaining highly competitive with expensive frontier models like Opus. This dashboard contrasts the token consumption of two different models. On the left, a heavy coding task rendered with Opus 4.8 costs $2.38. On the right, GLM 5.2 generates the exact same output for just 44 cents. By the end of this tutorial, you will know the exact steps to configure your Cursor IDE to run GLM locally, allowing you to cut your overall token expenses by roughly 5 times. Step 1 happens before we even open the IDE. Navigate to the Z.AI portal. Open your developer dashboard and locate the API Generation tab on the left side menu. Click to create a new secret key. Make sure to click the Copy Key button to save it to your clipboard immediately, because the portal will only show you this exact string once. If you plan to run multiple open-source models, navigating to OpenRouter AI to generate your key is an excellent alternative. It allows you to draw from a single unified credit balance across different providers. Whether you use Z.AI directly or OpenRouter, keep this secret key secure on your clipboard. This key acts as the passport required to bypass Cursor's default server routing. Now open the Cursor application. Navigate up to the top right corner and click the Settings gear icon to open the configuration panel. Select Models from the sidebar and locate the OpenAI Provider section. Because GLM 5.2 uses a compatible format, click the OpenAI API key input field, paste your copied key, and flip the Enable switch to activate the provider. Next, locate the Override OpenAI base URL field. We must redirect traffic away from standard servers. Type exactly https://api.z.ai/v1/glm-5.2/models. Mistyping this URL guarantees a failed request. For those using the alternative OpenRouter setup, you will paste openrouter.ai/api/v1 into this exact same field instead, then hit Save. This process effectively redirects the default routing. Cursor uses an agnostic model harness, which lets you easily plug in external open-source providers using these overwrites. Now that the traffic is redirected, we need to register the specific AI engine. Scroll back up to the Custom Models section within the Settings panel. Click the Add Model button. Here, you must type the protocol name perfectly. Enter capital GLMM-5.2. Any typo or missing hyphen in this tag means the API won't know which architecture to spin up. Once confirmed, you can close the settings modal. This final step bridges the gap between your new routing endpoint and the engine you want, completing the backend setup. In the IDE workspace, there is one limitation. GLM 5.2 lacks native vision capabilities. To bypass this, drag your screenshot into the chat, temporarily select a premium vision model, and prompt it to generate a detailed text plan of the layout. Once the text plan is generated, it's time for the critical pivot. Select GLM 5.2 from the dropdown. Type Build this layout in React and hit Submit. The local model will write the code based purely on the text outline. This sequencing technique is called model chaining. It provides you with high-end vision analysis while reserving the heavy, token-intensive coding execution for an affordable local engine. GLM 5.2 churns rapidly through the text plan, translating the logic into structural code and compiling the front-end layout. Open your IDE's terminal, type your start command, and boot up the local host. Check the browser port to verify the results. The carousel and bento grid components match the strict layout instructions perfectly. You have successfully executed a dense front-end build without burning through a premium token budget. Mastering these affordable, local model execution workflows is an essential skill for managing development budgets as AI integration scales.